Ben Carson. Ben Carson is one of the most famous brain surgeons in the world. He was born on September 18, 1951 in Detroit, Michigan. His mother dropped out of school in the 3rd grade and could not read or write. Ben's family was very poor, and his mother worked cleaning houses to make ends meet. She sometimes worked 2 or 3 jobs to provide for Ben and his brother. Ben was not a very good student in school. He didn't think he was smart, and the other kids called him dummy. In 5th grade, Ben was failing almost every subject. Ben's mother knew how important it was to be a good reader. She wanted her boys to be successful and not to miss opportunities because they couldn't read. She decided that the TV would be turned off and Ben and his brother would read instead. The boys had to read 2 books a week from the public library and write a report about each book. Ben and his brother didn't know their mother couldn't read because she would pretend to read the reports and put a check mark on them. Ben discovered a new world in those books. He could be anybody and do anything. He learned to use his imagination and visualize scenes and characters from the words on the page. Ben enjoyed reading books about science. The other kids in his class were amazed at the things Ben knew. Suddenly, Ben's grade improved. Within a year, he was at the top of his class. Ben graduated with honors from high school and went to college at Yale University. He then went to medical school at the University of Michigan. After medical school, Ben became interested in neuroscience, the study of the brain. He decided he wanted to become a brain surgeon. He became a resident neurosurgeon at Johns Hopkins, a famous hospital. Ben wanted to help children with brain disorders and became a pediatric neurosurgeon. In 1987, Ben performed a surgery to separate 2 infant twins who were joined at the back of their heads. Ben and a team of doctors operated for 22 hours. The surgery was a success. Ben became the first surgeon to successfully separate twins who were joined at the head. Ben went on to perform many brain surgeries and became a famous brain surgeon. He performed more than 300 surgeries a year. In his later years, Ben decided to cut back on his busy schedule. He wanted to spend more time with his wife and 3 children. He wrote his autobiography, Gifted Hands, which was made into a movie. He also wrote 2 other books and spoke at schools and conferences on how to become a success through hard work, persistence, and faith. Ben was named one of the nation's top doctors and scientists by Time magazine and CNN. In 2008, President Bush awarded him the Presidential Medal of Freedom. Ben decided to enter politics. In 2015, he ran for the Republican presidential nomination. He withdrew from the race in 2016. After the election, President Donald Trump nominated Ben as head of the Department of Housing and Urban Development. Ben Carson, the kid who almost failed 5th grade, became an outstanding doctor and leader.